Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, today we will do one new topic that is my country, India. Do you know in which country we are living? Yes, tell me. Do you know the name of our country? Yes, so the name of our country is India. What is the name of your country? India. Okay, so today we will discuss my country, India food and dresses. So first let's start with food. So kids, see, there are so many pictures of various kinds of food. So this is the food that we eat in India. These are all Indian foods. Okay, so this is the food that people in India love to eat. You know, we love to eat these kind of food because these are all Indian foods. Okay, because we live in India, so we eat Indian foods. So let's begin with here with this. Now this is dal. You all like dal? Yes, dal is very, very important for our health. So yes, we eat dal and chapati. Now next is dhokla. Yes, and do you know the dhokla? This is a famous dish of Gujarat. Gujarat is one of the state in India. So dhokla is famous in Gujarat. Okay. Now next is this dosa, and I know that you all love to eat dosa, right? Yes, so you know where this dosa is famous, in which state? So dosa is famous in South Indian states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. Like dhokla is famous in Gujarat. So dosa, although because we are Indians, we eat all these kinds of food. But I am telling you where this particular food is famous. So dosa is famous in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Okay, now next comes dum aloo. Yes, I know that aloo is favorite. Yes, you all love to eat this potato, right? So this is dum aloo, which we Indians eat. Next is fruits. Yes, so we eat fruits. We like fruits are very important for us. Fruits gives us immunity, so it is very important to eat fruits. Next is idlis. Yes, kids love idlis, I know. So these are idlis, which is again a South Indian food. Okay, so this is again very famous in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Now next is poha. What is this? Poha. We all eat poha in breakfast, right? We love to eat poha in breakfast. And do you know where this poha is famous? In which state it is famous? So poha is famous in Maharashtra. Okay, so poha is the famous dish of Maharashtra. This is poha. Next is rice. Yes, we all love to eat rice. We eat rice, right? Now is egg, which is again very important for our health. This is egg. Next is upma. Upma is again very famous in Kerala, Karnataka. Again a South Indian, this is famous in South Indian states, but we all love to eat it, right? So this is upma. These are vegetables. So vegetables are eaten throughout the world. So we also eat vegetables. Next is soup. Yes, these days winters are going on, so we all love to have soup in the evening, right? And it is very, very essential for a good health. So this is soup. Next is meat. So all those non-vegetarians, they eat this meat. Okay, vegetarians eat all veg food and non-vegetarians eat meat. Okay, so kids, this is all about this topic. These are various foods which you have to read. See, each and every topic helps you to read new words. So try to read dal, dhokla, dosa, dum aloo, fruits, idlis, poha, rice, egg, upma, vegetables, soup, and this is meat. So these are the foods, various foods which we people in India love to eat. Now, the next topic is my country, India, clothes. Okay, so don't forget to put the date on the top. So you have to put which date is today is 28 and which month is going on January, which year it is. This is 2021. Now I will tell you the dresses. This is how the people in my country dress. Now you know in India there are 28 different states. Although here these are only less, but there are how many states in India? If somebody asks you how many states in India, so there are 28 states in India, and you know that each state they have a particular type of dress. Each state have their own culture. They wear a particular type of a dress. Okay, so I will tell you one by one. So this is the first one, which is West Bengal. You have to, you have to memorize it. You have just look at the picture and you should know that in which state such kind of dress people wear. So this is the dress of West Bengal. What it is written? West Bengal. Now this is in West Bengal, the women, they wear sari. See, this is a sari. Women wear sari, and men, they wear kurta and lungi. Although it is not visible over here, men wear kurta and lungi. Okay, so the people of West Bengal, the women, they wear sari, and the men wear kurta and lungi. Now move on to next, Gujarat. What is this? This is written Gujarat. This is Gujarat. Now in Gujarat, men wear kurta and dhoti. And do you know this kind of kurta? It is known as kedu. This is known as kedu, and this dhoti is known as chorno. This is chorno. So women wear this. Men wear this kedu and chorno, which is known as kurta and dhoti, and women they wear sari or chaniya choli. This is the chaniya choli, or women wear saris in Gujarat. Now move on to next is Kerala. Kerala. This is Kerala. Now in Kerala, men and women, they wear mundu. Such kind of dresses, that is known as mundu. What is this called as? Mundu. So men and women, they wear mundu, which resembles like a dhoti. Basically the cloth is same, okay, the everything is same, but the पैटर्न हाउ टू ड्रेप, मतलब वो लोग कैसे पहनते हैं वो डिफरेंट होता है. लाइक देखिए, यहाँ पे साड़ी किसी अलग पैटर्न से पहनी है, यहाँ पे साड़ी किसी अलग पैटर्न से पहनी है, तो दे बेसिकली वेयर मुंडू. ओके, इन केरला they which resembles like a dhoti, and women, they also wear saris as well. So the mundu, they fastened it around their waist, and men, they wear shirt over it. Okay, so this is the kind of dress in Kerala. Fine. Now next is Manipur. See, Manipur. In Manipur, men wear again dhoti, and they pair it with jacket, or they pair it with kurta, they pair it with shirt. In women, they wear shawl. See, the shawl is here, which is known as inafi. They wear inafi at the top, and at the bottom they wear skirt, which is known as fennec. So they wear the skirt, which is called fennec. They wrapped it around the chest. So the women wrapped it around the chest, and women wear this shawl inafi, and they wear this skirt, which is known as fennec, and kurta and dhoti wear by the Manipuri men. Now next is Kashmir. Very beautiful dress. When we go to Kashmir, or whenever, if anybody of you went Kashmir, you must have wore this kind of dress, and you there are various photo shops where you have to wear a dress, and then they click your photograph. So this is Kashmir. Now in Kashmir, male means men. Male wear kurta and salwar, which is a Pathani type of, in India it is known as Pathani suit. So men wear kurta and salwar, which is known as Pathani, very famous in India. And women, they wear salwar kameez with a feren. Okay, women wear salwar kameez, but they wear feren over it. So feren can be of cotton, or it can be of woolen, according to the climate, according to the weather. Okay, so this is the feren top, and inside it they wear salwar and kameez, and also they cover their head with a head scarf. Every Kashmiri woman cover their head with a head scarf. Okay, now move on to next, Maharashtra. This is Maharashtra. So now in Maharashtra, men again, they wear kurta and dhoti, and women, they wear sari with a choli. Okay, so women wear sari with a choli, and men wear dhoti and kurta. So this is the dress of Maharashtra. Next is Odisha. It can be Odisha, or it can be Odisha. Okay, so in again Odisha, the men, they wear dhoti kurta with gamcha. See, this is gamcha, which is there around the neck. This is gamcha. So the men wear dhoti kurta with a gamcha, and women, they prefer to wear sari or shalwar kameez. Fine. So women prefer to wear sari or shalwar kameez, and men wear dhoti kurta with a gamcha. Now Punjab. In Punjab, the men, they wear Punjabi kurta and pajama. See, this is type of Punjabi kurta and pajama. And women, they wear Punjabi salwar suit, which we all love to wear, right? So this is Punjabi salwar suit, and men wear Punjabi kurta with a pajama, and also they wear turban. Okay. Next is Sikkim. This is Sikkim. Now in Sikkim, they have a very special dress which is known as kho. It is known as kho. So women, they wear silk blouse called honju inside kho. So above it is kho, and inside they wear a silken blouse, and also they tied a loose garment over their waist. ये यहाँ पे waist पे एक loose garment पहनते हैं, जिसको कि belt से ये लोग यहाँ पे tight रखते हैं. और जो married women होती हैं, all the married women in Sikkim, Sikkimese women, they also wear a multicolor apron, multicolor stripped apron around their waist. As you can see over here, the women, what are they wearing? They are wearing kho. Inside it they wear blouse, and on the waist they wear a gown like garment which they tied with the help of belt. And married women, मतलब जिनकी शादी हो चुकी होती है, वो एक ऐसे stripped apron भी पहनती हैं. So this is the dress of women. And men in the Sikkim, they wear loose trouser under a kho. So this is basically kho. Inside it they wear loose trouser or shirt. Okay, so the kind of dress which Sikkimese people wear, it is kho. So kids, watch this video twice so that you will be able to learn different states, as well as you will be able to learn different dresses the people of these states wear. So this is West Bengal, Gujarat, Kerala, Manipur, Kashmir, Maharashtra, Odisha, Punjab and Sikkim. So I taught you all the dresses, different kind of dresses that they wear. So you have to just watch the video twice. You should know, you should resemble, whenever I show you picture of this dress, you should know that this is the dress the people of Kerala wear. This is the dress people of Maharashtra wear. So you have to just remember this. This is the kind of dress that people of Punjab wear. Okay, so you have to remember this. Okay kids, so watch it twice, and have a very nice day. Bye bye. We will meet again. Okay, bye kids, have a very nice day. Bye bye.